Get into a car with value. 2022 Nissan Armada. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, alarm. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.